Think of at as talking about a point. It's like putting a pin on a map or pointing with your finger. You are not inside a space. You are just at a position. Now think of in as being inside a space. Imagine a box or a room. If you are surrounded by walls or boundaries, you are in that place. Good. Let's move on to practice. Number one, I'm waiting blank the bus stop. Here we choose at because a bus stop is one exact spot. You are standing at that point, not inside anything. Number two, she lives blank New York City. Here we use in. A city is a large space with many boundaries. Streets, buildings, neighborhoods. So we say someone lives in a city. Number three, he's sitting blank the corner of the room. This one is in. The corner is part of the inside space of a room. Since it is within the room's walls, we use in. Number four, we met blank the restaurant on Main Street. Here we use at. The focus is the restaurant as a meeting point. We are not describing being inside the restaurant, but rather the location where we agree to meet. Number five, look, there's a man blank the window. This one takes at. His position by the window, not inside the window, is one exact spot. Number six, I saw her blank the park yesterday. Here we say in. The park is a large open space or area. She was inside that area. So in the park is correct. Number seven, the teacher is blank the door. Okay, this is at. The teacher is standing right next to the door, which is a specific point. Number eight, my keys are blank my bag. Here we use in. The keys are inside the space of the bag, right? Number nine, let's meet blank the library. Here we use at. We are choosing the library as a fixed meeting spot. It doesn't matter if we go inside or not. The library is our meeting point. Number 10. I found a quiet place, blank, the library. This one is in. Now we are talking about being inside the library building within its space. So just remember, at means point, in means inside. With this picture in mind, you always know the difference. Great work. Now it's your turn. Try 5 more sentences on your own before I show you the answers. Excellent practice today. You did 15 questions in total, and now you know the secret. Use at for a specific point, and in for being inside a space. Keep that picture in your head. Point for at, inside for in, and you never mix them up again. I'm Nelson. See you next time. Bye.